Hello everyone, welcome back to BL Tech channel. Today I have two exercises for you. One is set a worksheet orientation and two is scale a worksheet to fit on a printed page. Okay, let's start all together everyone. Please make sure your file is open. We'll start number one, set a worksheet orientation. On the page layout tab, in the page setup group, here is page setup group, click orientation and then click landscape. Click the file tab and then click print. Click through the page to see the worksheet in landscape orientation. If you decided to keep this orientation, you would need to adjust page breaks to display all content properly. Click the return document. You can repeat step 2 to change the orientation back to portrait. You can press save the workbook. Orientation is the way your workbook or worksheet appears on the printed page. There are two settings, portrait and landscape. Portrait and landscape. Portrait is a vertical printing of the workbook and landscape is the horizontal aspect. By default, all workbook and worksheets are printed in portrait. Okay, thank you for number one exercise. We are jumping to exercise number 2. The scale worksheet to fit a printed page. Scaling refers to shrinking or stretching printed output to a percentage of its actual size. One use for scaling is to resize a document so that it fits on a single page. Before attempting to change the scaling for a worksheet output, the maximum width and height must be set to automatic. Okay, let's start. On the page layout, again, in the page setup group, again, and verify that portrait is selected. In the scale to fit group, here is scale to fit group. Click the high arrow and then select one page. The scale of the worksheet is reduced so that all rows fit on the same page. Click the file tab and then click print. Notice that all rows appear on the page and that the content is smaller than it was previously, as shown in this figure. When output is reduced, it shrinks the height and width proportionally. You can press save the workbook. The most common reason for scaling a worksheet is in shrink it so that you can print it on one page. You can also enlarge the sheet so that data appears bigger and fills up more of the printed page. Thank you for today. Please subscribe and follow for more. Bye bye.